In this video, I'll show you how to set Gboard as the default keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy Tab. Open Play Store. Search Gboard keyboard. Install Gboard, the Google keyboard. Open the Gboard app. Now set Gboard as default on your Samsung Galaxy Tab. Now you can change the Gboard theme, language, and font if you want. Gboard is now set as the default keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy Tab.